Are you looking for a homeschool schedule to follow or one that works for your family? If so, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to share with you the best way that I found to plan out a schedule and get things done. If this is the first time you're joining me, welcome. My name is Kylie Evans. I have been homeschooling my kids, I don't know, I think 8 years now. I was a teacher before I had kids and knew that I always kind of wanted to homeschool the kids. So coming from a teacher background into homeschooling, I find that there are a lot of things that I thought I knew I was supposed to do, but it's completely different at home. And one of those things is schedule. Depending on the age, it's going to determine what type of schedule you put in place for your kids just right off the bat. I also want to start by saying if we just kind of shift the word schedule, schedule sounds more rigid and homeschooling is more laid back at your own pace, you know, the way that you want to do it. So I like to think of it more as a routine, kind of like the flow of your day. You will obviously have days of the week where you have to be on a schedule. For example, if the kids are part of a co-op or they take classes outside of the home, you'll obviously have to be on a schedule to get your other work done that you might want to accomplish for the day, and then also make it to these activities that you want to be involved in. And also, it's really going to be your kids. Like if you have little kids that wake up early, then you can get your day started at 9. If you have teenagers like I do, they stay up late and sleep in. So waking them up at 8 o'clock in the morning to get started by 9 doesn't make sense for our family. So what makes sense for your family might not make sense for someone else's. However, having that routine or thing that you start your day with in the morning will help kind of set everybody on pace. My kids have a dry erase board in their bedroom on the wall, and it has a list of like 10 things that they have to do before they have to start anything with me. So they wake up and obviously get themselves ready for the day. And that, you know, it involves eating breakfast, getting dressed, you know, putting their makeup on, brushing teeth, those kinds of things, making their beds, tidying up their rooms. Then they do journal, read for 30 minutes. I have a writing workbook that they work on and do. And there's one more thing. There's something else that they do. And then I do a lesson with them of, you know, English or writing, or we read books together, social studies, history. After that, they can take a break, but then they have to start their online classes in the afternoon. So as you can see, this is more of a flow. I don't have, you know, from 9 to 9:30 we're doing this, and from 9:30 to 10 we're doing this. It gives the kids time to do the activity that they want at a certain pace, and also if they get into something, instead of switching from one activity to the next to the next to the next, they've got just their list of things that they have to accomplish for the day, for the week. If they're older, you can lay out the whole schedule for the whole week and say, you need to complete 2 of these, you need to complete 2 of these, and you lay it all out on a piece of paper and they do it. And giving them the flexibility of a routine versus a schedule allows for more freedom and creativity as far as I'm concerned. So basically, I think you should just forget the whole idea of having a hardcore schedule with the kids, because I find that when we have schedules, I end up disappointing myself because nobody wants to stick to it. Like, you make your own schedule and then you like want to bust it. Like, you don't even want to do it. So there you have it. Instead of having a rigid schedule, we're going to start having a routine that focuses on the flow of the day and giving them maybe checklists to know what needs to get done, and give them the freedom to get those things done. I hope that helped. Homeschooling is flexible. Homeschooling is fun. Homeschooling allows kids to be creative and have free time and get to like explore. that's okay. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. You can email me, kylie1021@yahoo.com. Yes, I've had that email for 20 plus years and I love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Happy homeschooling.